Welcome to Stay Ready to 3D Print, your go-to source for everything 3D printing. Here, we're all about exploring the endless possibilities of 3D printing. From intricate designs to large-scale projects, we've got you covered. But we're not a very technical channel. Like, we don't get down to the nuts and bolts of everything and drag out this how-to tutorial for hours. We try to condense it down to something that's understandable and valuable at the same time and give it to you much faster so you don't have to sit around and wait for the end. But we try to put all of that information into a small video that's valuable, but at the same time is not an hour long. We try to get right to the point and give you what you came for as quick as we can and in a way that you can understand it. Now, there's tons of channels out there that break these 3D printers down to the nuts and bolts and get very technical, but that's just not us. We like to keep it simple, keep it informative, keep it fun, and to the point. So whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned expert, we bring you tutorials, tips, and insights to help you get the most out of your 3D printing journey. We dive deep into the art and science of 3D printing, showing you how to turn your ideas into reality one layer at a time. So if you're passionate about 3D printing like we are, then hit that subscribe button and join our community. Let's create, innovate, and stay ready to 3D print together. Stay ready to 3D print, where your ideas take shape.